Hey, what's good? Alright, y'all, this Cloudaven. So, um, we're gonna talk about the Kyle Rittenhouse case a little bit. I'm really a nobody, so y'all just take what I grain of salt. Uh, you know, I'm gonna bring up. We gonna do this lifestyle, a little bit here and there. So here's the thing, right? We gonna look at some things. We're gonna do sources and everything. So because today I watched the live stream earlier, so we're gonna talk about it a little bit. I'm gonna use Chicago Tribune, and I'm gonna use Timcast a little bit, and I'm gonna use the Washington Post, right? So so y'all can see that I'm pulling from my sources. I hate when people don't pull from sources and shit. And Wreck the Law. I watched earlier on my channel, like Wreck the Law. So today I'm really so with the whole Rittenhouse thing today, I'm really gonna say, like, the defense really, I think today, on November 11th, defense really had the fucking opening statement. Y'all, let's just be frank, was weak as shit. Um, but but honestly though, the defense had today, man, with the cross examination was fire of the first witness. Um, like how he got, the reasoning of why Kyle was there, when he was there, how he was there. Hold up. Bring up my other things. Trial. What was it? Day two. Was that today or day one? What was that? No, 7 hours. Okay, so that's today. Okay, so we gonna do ABCs, right? And I'm
Kyle
gonna
Rittenhouse and the appearances raised.
and so what I'm talking about is right here, cross examination of because there was several streams, right? ABC did several streams. So right here, cross examination with Richards, right?
Rosenbaum
So
starting a fire at the
so
trailer.
so the
And in that
so
one, Mr.
we're gonna
Rosen.
mute it right here a little bit, and I'm gonna put damn, I can't put the subs on. I hate when ABC does this shit. But anyway, um
Kelly and Joshua Zeminski,
so
showing Joshua
so
Zeminski
right here.
armed with the weapon that was the
Oh,
first
wait,
weapon.
wait, wait. Was that okay? So, because they had Kyle up there. So Kyle. And then no, the not the opening statement. One was Kyle's friend was up there today. Hold on. Was it this? Wait, that was 3 hours ago. No, no, cause I watched it on Rectus channel. Was it this one? The 8 hour hearing. Okay, let's go with the 8 hour. Cause I watched this pretty much all day today, and the reason I'm talking about this shit is because this is really important about how they want to set a precedent about guns. I know I'm a black man, and they want to say that Kyle's like this white supremacist and all this shit. I'm not talking about any of this bullshit from his previous shit. People
Mr.
want to say
Rosenbaum
that I'm
wearing
I'm
a
I'm
blue
I'm I'm, I'm
mask, not his.
I don't wanna. I don't wanna. I'm not defending Kyle in that aspect. I'm talking about the main shit where where the right to carry a gun and the right to use your weapon and the right for self-defense. This is why this trial is important. It has nothing to do with. It sets a precedent on how people want to, on how the laws are and how things are about about guns and about how they're looked at in our society. And me, I'm licensed and trained. I'm 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 a licensed level 3 officer in the state of Texas. I went for my level 4, so you can look me up. Uh, um, uh, I passed my psych test for my level 4. I just never, I was never just ever finish paying for it. That's all it is. But I'm pretty much certified level 4 in the state of Texas. I'm also a level 2 correction officer. So like I'm licensed and I'm trained, and I have so many certifications for firearms and safety and how to wield. And but I don't do none of that no more. I didn't have several strokes for my background, and the reason I'm doing this and the reason I'm talking about this case, and it is because I'm so sick and damn tired. I'm not even two-way, right? Like I'm not even a strong two-way advocate and everything. Yes, I want the Second Amendment, and I love the amendments and everything, and I love freedom of speech. But and I love the right to carry arms and everything. And as a black man, that should be the right should not be infringed on, whatsoever, right? So we can protect against, ourselves and everything. But the way the law, Kyle was not in the wrong because he had a long rifle, and the way the statutes are brought up. Because when I was looking at the statute, and I need to look, and I'll bring that up in a later stream because I'm not gonna try to be too long with this. Right here, there we go. Right here with the friend, the cross examination with the friend was fire. Oh my gosh, okay, so right about Richards. When Richards gets on,
The date,
he sets precedent
you guys did go to
several
Jelensky's,
times.
correct?
Yes.
You drove to Jelensky's.
Well, this was after he had brought the gun up.
That's not what your testimony was on direct examination.
That's how it went.
Okay, so he brings the gun up, you go to Jelensky's, and then go right downtown. That's what your testimony is on cross-examination.
Yes.
Okay. Whose idea was it to go to Jelensky's?
I don't recall.
But you said Kyle went into Jelensky's alone.
Yes.
And you don't know why he was going into Jelensky's?
I knew why he was going in there.
Okay, why?
To get a sling.
Okay. And then out of the goodness of his heart, he bought you one?
The plan was for both of us to get one.
Okay. So you knew he was going there to get slings, correct?
Yes.
You didn't tell him not to bring the gun, correct?
No.
Now the reason why that's precedence, right? He's setting precedence on why he will use a sling, and why he needs the sling, and why it would be precedent. Why for and the laws for the rifle laws, pretty much are needed, if I'm not mistaken. I don't wanna. Kenosha laws on slings for rifles. Open carry. No. No. I hate this. I hate. There we go. trying to find the long guns. There we go. Okay, so look at this right here, right? We on gunlaws.org for gun laws for long guns, right? Which is an AR-15 long barrel weapon, right? That platform, right? So, state permit, no, for open carry, right? Firearm registrations, no. Assault weapons, open, no. Magazine, no. License for the owner of a firearm, no. Red flag law, no. Castle doctrine, yes. So, which doesn't have any precedence in this case. Background check, no. Preemption has no precedence on the case, no. Okay, so you cannot open carry in schools. Okay. And the reason I bring that up, right, is because Kyle was carrying a long barreled
No.
weapon.
Now, Kyle Rittenhouse's gun. This is your gun, correct?
Legally, yes.
And this is an optic on the top of that gun, correct?
Yes.
This optic, does it shoot a laser beam out of it?
Not out of it. I mean, it projects one inside of it, yes.
Right, but if I were to point this gun, and obviously I can't do it here in a courtroom, but if I were to point this gun at you from here, there would be no red or green dot on your chest.
No.
This is the optic from Kyle Rittenhouse's gun. Do you need to see it?
No.
Do you agree that this is?
Yes.
This does not project a laser dot on you either, correct?
No.
So if someone said Kyle Rittenhouse put a laser from his weapon on their chest, that's impossible, correct?
Correct.
Now, Mr. Binger asked you about the charges that you currently have pending against you, correct?
Yes.
And those charges are a result of you providing the gun to my client.
Yes.
And each of those is punishable by 6 years in the Wisconsin State Prison, correct?
Yes.
And you're testifying here today, hoping...
So the reason I'm doing this is I'm thinking the defense won today, right? So, and cross-examination was fire. Like, it was just amazing. And that's all I really want to say about this. Before I open the floor to y'all, a few questions I want to ask. Do y'all like this kind of content on my channel? And what do y'all think about the Kyle Rittenhouse case overall, if y'all watched? Because I watched the whole 8 hours. Like, on my stream, I only streamed about maybe 4 hours of it, but I watched the whole 8 hours of it while I played some Magic today. So I just want to see what y'all really think, and before y'all open the floor up, and let me know if y'all like this kind of content. And other than that, let me know what is good. All right, this is Cloudaven. All right, on the Kyle Rittenhouse case. All right, peace.